right, so what we're looking at here is North America, and we're going to explore where ancient Greece is. So, looking at North America, we can kind of zoom out. You can see to the south is South America. Of course, we have the Atlantic Ocean here. To the west, we have the Pacific Ocean. All right, so what we're going to do is start out first at Jardine Middle School. So, we'll go ahead and fly into there. You can see it's right there in smack dab in the middle of the continental United States. And there we are. Of course, this predates the building of the elementary school. Okay, so from here, what we're going to do is fly into a place called Athens in Greece. Athens is today the capital of the country of Greece. But it was also a major city during ancient Greece. You can see that we are not on the same continent. This is part of southern Europe. And there's the Acropolis. Now, the Acropolis was the highest point in the city-state of Athens. And this is where they built their most prominent temples and structures. So what I want you to make note of here, I'm going to go ahead and zoom out and get a look at where this is. And what you're going to see is that this Greece is in the northeastern part of the Mediterranean Sea. Egypt, down here, we have, down here we have Egypt. You can see the Nile River and the Nile River Delta. And of course, that goes into the Mediterranean Sea. And if you were to travel north, there's an island right here called Crete. And when we go further up, you have this peninsula, which makes up Greece. This landmass that sticks out here, this is going to be, we're going to call this Asia Minor. It's modern day Turkey. And one of the things that always stands out, an easy way to find Greece, is to find the country of Italy, which is also a peninsula. It's got water on three sides of it. And if you use a little bit of imagination, you can see that the land mass of Italy can kind of look like a boot, like an old style high-heeled boot. And this is the back of the boot, and that's the heel, and that's the toe. And if you follow the heel, it's pointing towards Greece. Okay? On the west side of the Mediterranean is the Iberian Peninsula, which is modern-day Spain and Portugal. And, of course, to the south here is the continent of Africa.